discuss about packaging of DNA. Packaging of DNA. Packaging of DNA. So before going to the packaging of DNA, we should calculate the length of the DNA. The length of the DNA formula, the length of DNA is calculated by length of the DNA equal to number of nucleotides present in it into distance between two base pairs, distance between two successive base steps, This is the formula for that. So the length of the DNA formula, number of nucleotides into distance between two successive base steps or base pairs. Nucleotides, how many nucleotides? In basics we had given, there is a 3.3 into 10 to the power of 9 nucleotides. In diploid content, 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9 nucleotides. So 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9 base pair into distance between two successive base pair equal to 3.4 angstroms or 0.34 nanometer. 0.34 nanometer. 1 nanometer equal to, we know very well, 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. 9 meter. In 9, a minus 9 cancel. Then around approximately 2.2 meters comes. 2.2 meter. 2.2 meter. So the length of the DNA calculated by number of nucleotides into the distance between two successive base pairs. So nucleotides present in DNA in human 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9. Then successive base steps distance is 0.34 nanometer. Then calculation around 2.2 meters comes. Then same to same in Escherichia coli DNA length 1.36 nanometer, 1.36 millimeters. Escherichia E. coli DNA 1.36 millimeters. Then how are these DNA packed in nucleus? You know, this is a cell, its inside is a nucleus, then inside a chromatin material, this is nothing but DNA. So actually nucleus measurement is 10 to the power of minus 6 meter, micrometer. So nucleus measurement is 10 to the power of minus 6, but DNA measurement length is 2.2. So that much of length of the DNA, 2.2 meter length of the DNA, how it is being packed in the 10 power of minus 6 meters of the nucleus? That is in the form of helix. So when it is form of the helix, then it is easily packed in there. That we are going to discuss now. Now packaging of DNA in prokaryotes. Packaging of DNA in a prokaryotes. Prokaryote means bacteria. Very well. Prokaryotes. Packaging of DNA in a prokaryotes. So you know very well prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means there is no defined nucleus, no defined nuclear membrane. So no defined nucleus, no defined nuclear membrane, that is a prokaryote. So that's why the DNA is not scattered throughout the cell. So in prokaryotes, DNA is not scattered throughout the cell. Then positive nature of the DNA, positive charge of DNA held with the negative charge of some proteins. Positive charge of DNA, negative charge of some proteins held together, then form nucleoid. So in prokaryotes, the genetic material packed in the form of nucleoid. Very, very important. So negatively charged DNA held with the positively charged with some proteins, then form nucleoid structure. Then packaging of DNA in prokaryotes, nucleoid. Very important. Now, packaging of DNA in eukaryotes. In eukaryotes, what's up? Eukaryotes, careful of that. In packaging of DNA in eukaryotes. Before going to that eukaryotes, you know very well, eukaryotes means true nucleus is present. Nuclear membrane is present. So defined nucleus is present. Defined nucleus membrane. That's why packaging of DNA is somewhat difficult and complex in eukaryotes. Packaging of DNA is a complex and difficult in which of the following organism? A. Bacteria, B. Human, C. Fungi, D. Human and fungi. Both are correct. Like eukaryotic organism. Packaging of DNA is a important. Packaging of DNA complex and difficult. In eukaryotes. Because there is a defined nucleus is there. Defined nucleus and nuclear membrane is present. Then how it is packed up? Before going to that, some words we should know about that. Some words we can know. So, histone what? Histone. Positively charged basic proteins are called positively charged basic proteins. Basic proteins are called histones. Positively charged basic proteins are called histones. Sir, why sir this having histones got the positively charged? So due to the presence of rich amino acids, lysine and arginine. So due to the presence of lysine and arginine, histones are basic proteins, positively charged basic proteins. So the basic amino acids, histone positively charged, some positively charged basic proteins are called histones. So these histones are having the positive charge because of due to the presence of rich amino acids, basic amino acid, lysine and arginine. Even accession region question also. Histone proteins are positively charged. Statement 1. Statement 2. A rich basic amino acid, lysine and arginines are present in them. Statement. So both statements are correct. Second is the correct explanation for first one. So due to the presence of lysine and arginine, histones are positive. One mark questions also. So can you give the what is the reason for histones are having positive charge? Because of lysine and arginine. Now histone octamer. What is the meaning of histone octamer? Octa means 8. 8 molecules, 8 different molecules of histone proteins held together. 8 different molecules of histone proteins held together then form histone octamer. Octa means 8. So 8 different. What are the 8 different here? H2A, H2B, H3, H4. These are 4 types. 4 types means double. H2A double, H2B double, H3 double, H4 double. Total 8. So 8 different molecules held together form one unit. That is nothing but histone octamer. Then histone octamer consists of what type of proteins? H2A, H2B, H3, H4. But in nucleus consists of what type of proteins? In nucleus consists of H1, H2A, H2B, H3, H4. This is all are present in nucleus. Question very careful in it. In nucleus, what type of histone proteins are present? H1, H2A, H2B, H3, H4. But in histone octamer, what type of protein? H2A, H2B, H3, H4. That is the important one. Histone octamer. Now understand? Now, after these words, how DNA packed in eukaryotes? That is nothing but nucleosome. So nucleosome I am going to give now. Nucleosome nana. Packaging of DNA in eukaryotes. Nucleosome. What is the meaning of nucleosome, son? Sometimes question theory also. Briefly describe about nucleosome with a diagram. Nucleosome. 5 mark question also. Briefly describe about nucleosome. So draw the diagram. You see the diagram. This is nothing but diagram. Diagram Nana. This is a diagram. See, this is a nucleosome diagram. Nucleosome. So nucleosome means what, sir? So negatively charged DNA. Negatively charged DNA held with a positively charged histone octamer. Negatively charged DNA. Negatively charged DNA held with a positively charged histone octamer. Then form nucleosome. Definition: negatively charged DNA wrapped around with a histone octamer. Negatively charged DNA wrapped around with a histone octamer, then form nucleosome. Packaging of DNA in eukaryotes in the form of nucleosome. I repeat the definition: negatively charged DNA wrapped around with a positively charged histone octamer, then form nucleosome. That is the difference. Each nucleosome consists of 200 base pairs. Very important. 2019 NEET question. Each nucleosome consists of how many base pairs? 200 base pairs are present. 200 base pairs. Then this nucleosome how it is appear? How it is appear? Nucleosome appears beads on string. Beads on string. For example, this is one string. These are the beads. Beads. So nucleosomes appears beads on string in chromatin material. A meaning of what, sir? So nucleosome nucleosome consists of repeating structures in chromatin and form. Nucleosome nucleosome consists of repeating structures in the nucleus, then form chromatin. So meaning of that, chromatin means what is the chromatin? Chromatin means the nucleosome repeating nucleosome consists the repeating structures present in the nucleus, then form chromatin. It seems to be appears on beads on string. Beads on string. This is the nucleosome. This is nothing but chromatin thread. So it is appears on beads on string. That is a chromatin material. So then chromatin condensation to form chromosomes. Chromatin fiber condensed to form chromosome at metaphase. Next step. That is very important point. So at which stage chromatin fibers condensed to form chromosome? Metaphase. Then at higher level packing of chromatin requires a non-histone proteins non-histone chromosomal proteins. At a higher level packing of chromatin requires what type of protein? Non-histone chromosomal proteins. NHCS. Non-histone chromosomal proteins. That is also important point here. Then see everyone, I am going to repeat this one. So nucleosome means negatively charged DNA wrapped around with a positively charged histone octamer, then form nucleosome. Each nucleosome consists of 200 base pairs. Then nucleosomes appears under electron microscope. It seems to be beads on string in nucleus. Then chromatin material. A nucleosome repeating structures in the nucleus, then form chromatin. Chromatin fibers condensation to form chromosomes at a metaphase. At higher level packing, some additional proteins are required. That additional proteins are non-histone chromosomal protein. Some questions also. Then chromatin consists of what, sir? NEET question. In first year also there. Chromatin consists of DNA, RNA, histone protein, non-histone protein. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All above. Chromatin consists of DNA, RNA, histone, non-histone protein, all are present. But at a higher level tracking, non-histone chromosomal proteins are required. This is nothing but a nucleosome. I revised these concepts. Nucleosome different, nucleus different, nuclei different, nucleon different, nucellus different. I'll give the words carefully. Nucleosome, packaging genetic material in eukaryotes. Nucleide, packaging of genetic material in prokaryotes. Nucleon, first acidic substance discovered in the nucleus by Frederick Miescher, that called a nucleum. Nucleus, organelle. Nucellus is a mass of tissue present in the ovule. That all different. Nucellus different, nucleus different, nucleon different, nucleosome different, nucleide also different. So careful on these other words. Now chromatin, just now I said nucleosome, the repeating the structure. Nucleosome constitute repeating structures in the nucleus, then form chromatin. Chromatins are two types. Two types of chromatin. Two types. What are two types of chromatin? Euchromatin. 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 And second one, heterochromatin. Euchromatin, heterochromatin. Euchromatin and heterochromatin. Sometimes define chromatin. What is the difference between you and heterochromatin? Chances of question. You and heterochromatin. Now see here. You and heterochromatin differences. I will show that. You and heterochromatin differences. Euchromatin. Euchromatin one side table, difference between. Then heterochromatin. Heterochromatin differences. So euchromatin, heterochromatin. Here euchromatin is loosely packed. Loosely packed. Loosely packed regions are called euchromatin. For example, like this, loosely packed. Heterochromatin, more tightly packed. More tightly packed. More tightly packed. Matlab, like this, more tightly packed. Heterochromatin. Then euchromatin, second, light stained. But heterochromatin, dark stained. So euchromatin loosely packed, heterochromatin more tightly or more densely packed. Densely also correct. Densely packed. More densely packed. Then dark stained. Euchromatin, transcriptionally active. Euchromatin is transcriptionally active. Heterochromatin, transcriptionally inactive. This is nothing but heterochromatin. Differences between you and heterochromatin. When 2 mark question or 3 mark question also important. This is nothing but packaging of DNA in prokaryotes and eukaryotes also. Important information. Next concepts are transforming principles. Okay.